today's tutorial, I will guide you if you can see who viewed your Facebook story, if not friends. So for that, you need to hop into your Facebook and make sure to sign in on your Facebook account. So sometimes you might be wondering who might be those followers who has viewed your Facebook story if they aren't friends with you. So suppose recently I have added a story on my Facebook account. You need to simply tap on your story, or else if you haven't created any story, then you can tap on create a story option and choose any story that you want to upload on the Facebook. So now let's tap on your story, and on the bottom left corner there is I like icon. Simply you need to tap on that. And once you tap here on the inside, here you'll be able to see it is seen by one unique account. When you tap on viewers, the same it is shown that one viewer has been seen this story, but the one other person viewed the story. So as it is shared to public, people you aren't friends with can see it. So the one viewer is those person's account which they aren't friends on your Facebook. So sometimes you might want to make them friends on the Facebook, but you won't have any idea who those friends are on the Facebook. So to know who actually viewed your Facebook story if they aren't friends, then on the upper right corner you'll be able to see the hamburger icon. Simply tap on that and now tap on help and support. When you tap on help and support, the drop down box will be appeared where you need to tap on help center. This will let you access on the Facebook Help Center. On the search bar, you need to tap and search for story viewers. Once you tap on story viewers, you need to tap on the story viewers icon. And now you need to scroll down and on the fourth option you'll be able to see how can I tell who has seen my story on the Facebook. Tap on that, and when you scroll down here you'll be able to see your list of story viewers. Simply tap on that. When you scroll down here it is shown that if your story privacy is set to public, you'll be able to see the numbers of followers who have viewed your story but not a specific follower's name. So Facebook does not allow us to see the specific follower's name that has viewed our story on the Facebook if they aren't friends on the Facebook. If you don't want any other followers who are not friends on the Facebook to view your Facebook story, then simply you need to go back to your story section, and now you need to tap on your story, and on this story you will be able to see the three dotted line. Tap on that. So tap on edit story privacy. Now you can tap on friends, tap on save. Once you do this, only your Facebook friends will be able to view your Facebook story. Followers who aren't the friends on the Facebook cannot view your Facebook story. So by doing this, you can easily permit the other non-followers who are not friends on the Facebook to view your Facebook story. So I hope this video was useful for you. If this video was useful, subscribe our channel.